Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix display black and white in Moto G77. First of all, turn off sleep mode. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on home, add lock screen. Scroll down, click on lock screen. Scroll down, click on sleep display and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off sleep mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off color adjustment. Open setting, scroll down, click on display, scroll down, click on color contrast and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off color adjustment from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Again open setting, again click on display, scroll down, and now here you see dark theme. And if you want to turn off dark mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset device settings and click on reset device setting again. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on system, scroll down and again click on reset options. Click on erase all data, factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, your picture photo will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix display black and white in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.